Pajjiż sabiħ, poplu kariżmatiku u ikel bnin. Dan kien il-mod kif iddeskriviet lil pajjiżna l-attriċi ta' fama mondjali, Nell Tiger li ħadet sehem fost l-oħrajn fis-serje Game of Thrones li parti minnu saħansitra ġie ffilmjat f'pajjiżna.
It's been a beautiful experience so far. I mean, I'd love to come as many times as I can. It was my first time in Malta. And yeah, I mean, it's a small island, but it's mighty. I mean, everybody here is lovely. Like, it's such a warm, welcoming place, and the people here are so sweet, and the food's great.
Hija tkellmet dwar is-sehem tagħha fis-serje tant famuż madwar id-dinja meta kienet kellha biss 14-il sena.
I got cast in Game of Thrones when I was 14, so I was a baby. And I hadn't seen the show, and I still haven't seen the show, but I'm told that I should. My mum was a big fan, my sister was a big fan, my dad was a big fan of the show, and I didn't really know what I was walking into.
L-attriċi stqarret kif is-sehem tagħha f'dan is-serje fetħilha diversi bibien fl-industrija.
I'm really lucky I got to see that show because it opened a lot of doors for me. And the whole cast was lovely, and yeah, I mean, it's a very fond memory for me.
Meta staqsejnija dwar is-sehem tagħha fil-Mediterrane Film Festival, hija qalet li tħoss tax-xurtjata li tagħmel parti minn din iċ-ċelebrazzjoni ta' talent li qed tittella f'pajjiżna.
I feel so lucky that I got to participate in this. It feels like a really special moment, and I'm so happy that I get to be a part of celebrating the amazing talent that comes from here.
Żidet tinnota l-importanza ta' avvenimenti ta' din ix-xorta li jkomplu jinċentivaw il-kreattività u l-arti.
I think it's such a beautiful thing to celebrate people's art, people's talent. We need creativity, and we need stories and art, and kind of it's what makes us people, you know? So yeah, I think it's very important, and I'm very honoured to be a part of it.
L-attriċi għażlet titkellem ukoll dwar diversi sfidi li taffaċċja fl-industrija tal-films, hekk kif trid tgħix ħajjitha tistenna li tinqala xi biċċa xogħol. Minkejja dan hija qalet li hija grata hekk kif xogħolha huwa għal qalba ferm.
I mean, I'm lucky enough that people keep hiring me, which is kind of all you can ask for. My whole life feels like I'm waiting all the time for something, and that's a pretty tough existence. I mean, I'm not complaining. I love my job.